welcome to our channel. This is our first YouTube video. Today we're working on a 2010 Dodge Ram 2500 that we bought from Copart, unseen. When we picked it up, we weren't expecting a lot of damage on the rear end, but when we got it home and we started looking at it, we found out it had severe frame damage. We have done quite a bit of work to it before we started making this video. So today we're just gonna kind of go over what we've done before. And today we're gonna start painting. We got a truck bed, we got a bumper to paint.
All right, so we're gonna do a quick walk around of the truck to show you guys what we've done so far. When we got this truck, it had a Fat Force bumper on it and it was all beat up. We had to take this off and try to bend this out. And over here in this corner, this was still bent in. We tried bending out just a little bit so far, but we still need to go back and do that, so that'll be another video. Alright, so we're gonna walk around the back to show you guys what we've done so far to the truck. Right here you can see the cab is kind of damaged from the real messed up truck bed we had on it when we got it. Trying to take it off, dented it. We had to put a patch window in on the passenger side because it was busted out as well from the wreck. And back here we had to replace the hitch. So when we got the truck, the hitch that was on it was bent down towards the ground, and we went and got a Harbor Freight frame bender, a 20-ton, and we had to bend out the frame. It was bent up and down from the wreck, and we had to push it outwards so that we could slip the new hitch onto it and bolt it in.
Today we're gonna work on getting the truck bed and the rear bumper painted. We got to set up a paint booth in the garage and we will show you guys how we do it. now that we got the first base coat, we're going to let it dry and get prepping for the white.
After our first layer of primer, we found out that we still had some scratches from the previous fender flares, so we had to go back and do some Bondo here and on the tailgate as well. And so we're going to go back over it with primer, and we got it all taped off, and it'll be ready for the white base coat.